Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out my latest crypto tutorials. Today, I'll be showing you how to sell your crypto on Binance P2P and withdraw it directly to your Seabank account, fast, safe, and hassle-free. Let's get started. By the way, if you haven't signed up on Binance, check the video description for the sign up link to register. First, open your Binance app and go to the Assets tab. To use P2P trading, your funds must be in the funding account. If your crypto is in the spot account, you'll need to transfer it first. Tap Transfer. Set from spot to funding. Select the crypto you want to sell. I'll choose USDT. Enter the amount you want to transfer. Tap Confirm Transfer. Now go to Funding tab and refresh if you don't see your balance yet. Select the crypto you want to sell. I'll tap USDT. Tap P2P Trading. And choose Express to get the best automatic match. Set PHP as your fiat currency. Before selling, we need to add Seabank as a payment method. Tap the three dots on the upper right corner. Select Payment Methods. Tap Add a new payment method. And choose Seabank. Go back to P2P Trading and select the Sell tab. Choose the crypto you want to sell. I'll sell USDT. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Tap Select Payment Method and choose Seabank. Tap Preview Order to check the transaction details. If everything looks good, tap Place Order. After placing the sell order, open the chat section. Some merchants may ask for additional details. I usually send my account name to ensure they send it to the right account. Wait for the merchant to send the payment.
A few minutes later.
After a few minutes, check the chat again to see if the payment has been sent. Open your Seabank app and check if the full payment has been received. Once confirmed, go back to Binance and tap Payment Received. Select I have verified that the payment has been received successfully. Please remember that never confirm the release if you haven't received the payment to avoid scams. Tap Confirm Release and enter your security verification. Awesome! The transaction is complete and I've successfully withdrawn my crypto from Binance P2P into my Seabank account. And that's how you sell crypto on Binance P2P and withdraw it to your Seabank. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto guides. If you have any questions or issues, drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.